Can we talk about how gay you are? Like literally gay? I love that pussy. She got bitches in that phone.
I'm finna show y'all something.
She finna suck all y'all's assholes or something.
No. Y'all wanna see this picture?
Oh shit. OMG!
Hell no.
Get that shit.
Stop! I had to get pretty today. This is the process of this. This is a process, I swear.
Hell no.
Hell no.
Nobody wants to see all that. Here you go.
Oh shit. I can't open my beer, I'm sad. I can't open it.
Oh my god. Oh my god. You want me to lick your asshole or something? You want me to lick it?
We don't want. We don't want it. Where the party's at?
Where the
Somebody
party's
just asked me where the party's at. For tonight.
Swag.